Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm looking at activity 18D. The question says open the file saved in activity 18C. Search the database to find the following information for your manager. For each search, show how you perform the search and the result of the search. Right? The results must show all the fields in the stationary table. Okay, so obviously we are interested in the stationary table of activity 18C, right? So let's go over to our database. So I'm interested in the activity 18C here, which is this one. Okay, I think that should be the last activity 18C there about. All right, so for us to do this, we need to create a query based on activity 18C stationery. Okay, good. So let's go to create and then our query wizard. Want to okay that. In this case, okay, I'm interested in. Let me just remove the code. Should I use the code? I don't think the code is needed, but most importantly, the purchase price is not really wise to use the purchase price. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. It's not like you're not going to use it, but like in the business sense, I'm just talking about the business sense as a matter of fact. So because a customer would not like to see the purchase price actually. So all right, and basically I don't think it's part of the query, so I'm good. So let's nest that and then let's give this activity 18 the stationary query and then of course modify. So the query, so let's see the whole of the query. Let's see how it looks like. So this is how the whole query looks like. So I intentionally removed the p price, okay, all right, because of confidentiality. Yes, okay. So let's begin with the question. So the first one is find all of the blue stationary items. So we're interested in all of the blue stationary items. So you want to go under color field at the criteria row. Here you want to write just blue and run it. So this will give you all the blue stationary stationary items. Okay, so this is how you can do that. So you should be able to have around 18 records for this. Okay, so the next one, let's see the next one. So let me just remove this criteria here. The next one should be number 2, should be find all of the blue or black stationary items. Okay, so we can use blue or black. So of course under that color you can just write blue or black right there. Okay, and then you can run it. You should be able to give you about 29 items, right? So we can also do it this way, having blue here and then using the all criteria or the all row, you can have black right there. Okay, and then you can run it. It should be able to give us about 29 items also. So that is very, very correct. And if you look at our color, you see black, you see blue. So that's correct. That's it for that one. So let me just remove the criteria here and then do the third question. So let me just select this one. So yeah, let me highlight them sort of just for the sake of it. And then number 3, find all the items where the color is not blue. Okay, so where the color is not blue, so you want to use not equals to blue. That's it. Okay, so you want to run it and then see that I gave about 79 records, right? Good. So this is the result of the query. Now let's go back and then instead of using not equals to, let's use not blue here, the keyword not blue. So let's see, it's still going to give us 79 records, which is actually what we need, and there's no blue anywhere for the color here, right? So that's correct. Okay, so let's remove this criteria again and then try the next other questions. Let's see. So this is done. All right, let me just see number 4. Find all the red items where the discount is yes. All the red items. Okay, so we have red. Let's do red first of all and see what it returns. Red under color, and then of course these are all the reds, right? And then we need it where it is yes. Discount, where discount is yes, I guess. Let me just be sure of the question again. where discount is yes. So you want to have yes here under discount and then run it. So in this my case, it did not give me any result, but obviously this is the way to do it. Okay, so somehow I don't have two yeses. I don't have two yeses in my source file. I don't know how that happened. Okay, so even if when we do it by color, when we query this table by color, you see that you have the reds. So if you, by me looking at the discount, you see that I don't have any yes, so nothing is going to appear. So maybe you should be able to have about one record or two that will appear. Okay, so but the most important thing is to see how it is being done. Okay, so let's move on to the next. So let me just highlight these two, and then let me just have it as sorry, did I? Oops. Okay, so let's highlight the two of them. Okay, right. Number 5, find all the items where the, let me just remove this, where the type contains the word file, where the type contains the word file. Okay. Okay, so we're going to use wildcard here. So under type, with type, you want to have your asterisk to tell it, okay, anything before, anything can go before, and anything after file. Okay, so because it has to contain, from the question it says contains the word file. So that's how to do that. And then you can run and then see that for the type here, everything contains file. There's always file somewhere. Okay, so even if there's file, any other thing, it should have given it because of the nature of the question. All right, so so how many records do we have here? You should be able to get about 50 records for this question. That's question 5. Okay, so for question C is find all the items where the description contains the word file also. Okay, where the description contains the word file. So let's see. So let's remove this also, and then under this description, you want to also do the same thing, asterisk or star, and then file, and then asterisk, and then see the result that we get. So under description here, you're going to have file. Okay, this is a very good example. So you have file, all of them, they contain file, maybe at the middle or at the end, something like that. So the most important thing is that all the records must have a file within the description field. Okay, so that's it. That is that. So we have about 56 records. So you check your own and then see that you've got 56 record thereabouts. All right, so let's select everything here. Let me just highlight that, or highlight those. Number 7, find all of the items with a quantity of less than or equals to 10. Okay, so the quantity has to be less than or equal to 10. So let's go under quantity. You want to have less than or equals to 10, and then let's see what it gives us. It gave us about 101 records. So quantity here has to be less than or equals to 10. So we have 10 right there, and then the rest are 1. Okay, that's cool. Okay, guys, so this is the result for less than or equals to 10, I suppose. Okay, oh sorry, yeah, of course, that's what it is. I had to leave because of my daughter. She woke up. In fact, she's with me, so I will do this video, the whole of this video with her. Yeah. Okay, so that's for number 7. So for number 8, find all of the items where the quantity is 10, right? Where the quantity is 10. Ah, baby. All right. So you want to go to under the quantity. Okay, so instead of having less than or equal to 10, we're going to have just equals to 10 right there, and then we can run it and then see the result here. So you can see where the quantity is equals to 10, right? So that's for number 8, where the quantity is 10, right? Yeah. So number 9, find all of the items. How many records we have for that number 8? Let's see. I have about 6 records. So for number 9, find all of the items with a quantity of find all of the items with a quantity of greater than 1. I don't know. Okay, greater than 1. So you want to go under there. You want to have greater than 1 right there. Baby, don't close my mouth. I'm working now. Greater than 1. It's okay, baby. Okay, so this is what we have. How about 7 records? You can see quantity is still greater than 1 here. Okay. So let's see number 10 question. Find all of the items with a quantity of greater than or equals to 10. Greater than or equal to 10. So let's see. State quantity. So we have greater than or equals to 10 here. Okay. And then run that and see. So how many records we have? So we have 7 here. So probably the same thing. And then let's see again the last one, which is number 11. Find all of the items where the sale price is less than £10. Okay, where the sale price is less than £10. So we have to go to sale this time around. S price. So less than. Let me see the question again. Is it less than or equal to? Where the sale price is just less than 10, right? So you want to have less than 10 right there, and then okay, so you should be able to have about 29 records for this question. So as you can see here, the sale price is always less than 10 right here. Okay, so I think that's about it, and let's see. I think everything here is done. Please, if you have any question, just leave a comment down below, and that will be it. Bye.